I really need some boom. I got a lot of money inside my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for some fun Franciscan fireworks.
What's up? Jacob here from Franciscan Fireworks with another 500 gram demo item. Tonight we're checking out Cherry Bomb brand Awesome Display. It's a 16 shot 500 gram cake. As you can see, it's got the depiction on there. I don't think that's probably what it's going to look like. Let's see. We have glittering gold tail to blue peony with report ended by a fabulous finale. So that's cool. I wonder how many shots the finale will be. We'll have to go out, light it off, and check it out.
Loud.